BJP National Secretary in charge of North East, Rituraj Sinha on Wednesday assured that the long-pending demand for the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution will see the light of day once the BJP comes to power in Meghalaya. Addressing media persons on the sidelines of the manifesto releasing event of the party in Shillong on February 15th, Sinha said the people of Meghalaya have a rich culture and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value, adding that these languages must be recognized. The party will do its best to see this through after elections if it gets adequate number of seats. He said they will move ahead in the assembly and work in close coordination with the centre in this regard.
People of Meghalaya have a very rich culture, and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value. We believe that these languages must be considered for inclusion in the 8th schedule, and BJP stands with the Garo people and the Khasi people for inclusion of these languages. We will do our best after election. If we have adequate number of seats, we will move this in the Legislative Assembly and work in close coordination with central government to take this request up.
Congress